back to the channel. Video's gonna be short and sweet as well. Wait for the car to cool down a little bit. We're taking some spirited drives, but I'm gonna give you guys a close-up or a POV or a sound clip of the MST intake that I have. A lot of people comment on, they can hear it from the inside, so I give you inside and outside clips. I already took the inside shots with no mic, just to GoPro. You should be able to hear it loud enough. And yeah, now I'm gonna try to find some way somehow to stick the mic with the dead cat, because I feel like it would be a lot better with the dead cat. I don't want the clip inside the intake. So this is my intake got from Keys Motorsports MST. I installed it, probably put about, I would say like 15,000 miles on this intake maybe, or 10 to 15,000 miles. I'm not exactly sure. This engine bay need to be clean. This shit filthy. But yeah, I haven't even checked it. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go ahead and remove these 3 screws right here. Don't have the proper, actually I might have the proper tool in the back to do it. If not, I grab my little pliers, the little pinch pliers. That'll do the job. But yeah, MST intakes provided by Keys Motorsports. My M55, for instance, or all of M55s or previous BMW motors, the intake used to sit right here, and the turbo was obviously on the other side as well. So you'd have the intake in this long ducting, which went down there. This one is literally so short. The turbo sits right here, the intake sits right here, and I think that's what gives it that crazy loud sound. I might be a little bit wrong, but I've never heard an intake as loud as this one. I've never owned an intake as loud as this one on my car. I've yet to figure out the condition of that intake. I never oiled it, I never changed, you know what I mean? Never oiled it, never changed it, nothing. So take my little tool, and I'm gonna check the condition. We're gonna take the mic off that camera, and we're gonna shove it down there, and hopefully, are we recording? I highly doubt the dead cat's gonna catch on fire. Oh, I got it right the first time. It's don't know what it is, but I got it right the first time. You can come in here. Actually, I think it might be a size too small. Either that or, no, it's the right size. Yo, it's hot, huh? It's pretty cool. I like this. I like these style intakes. You know, Berger Motorsports, and I'm a affiliate from Berger Motorsports. You know, if you use my link to buy stuff, I get a cut. And I'll tell you, I like this one more than the Berger Motorsports one, just because I mean, Berger Motorsports is the cheapest option you're gonna get, I think. But this one has a cover for it. I guess you can make your own cover too, but this one has a cover. And then boom, the intake is down here. So everybody seeing it? They seeing inside of it? That's kind of sketchy, because if you flip it over, what do you see? Watermarks. So yeah, gotta take it easy in them puddles, huh? Well, if you look down here, you can see one. I don't know if I'm pretty sure I installed this, and it's missing. This is missing too. I wonder, am I insane drifting did the grommets for this fall out, you know? Because this is not attached by anything anymore. That is very odd, huh? Well, I'll get something to shove in there. You can see the ground down here. So not for nothing, that's probably some good cooling. It's probably getting in some good cool air. You have air coming in from these little sections, and yeah, it's probably getting some good cool air. In the F30s, they didn't put clear coat, or they didn't do something to the inside of this to give it the same nice look as the outside paint. So I give BMW credit for that.
Yeah. Look at me, I'm on. Yeah. Look at me, I'm on. Yeah. Look at me, can't stop. Look at me, I'm on. Look at me, I'm on. Look at me, I'm on. Look at me, I'm on.
This thing rolls a good distance, huh? I don't have verbals. I don't know why I did that. Oh, God. Let's try another attempt at launch control. Maybe that E is just that bad, you know? Yeah, you notice the difference that time.
I don't get pressed, look at me. I've been on set since 17.
So you guys heard the keys. I'm losing my life out here. You guys heard the Keys Motorsports. I mean, you guys heard the MST intake on the car, M340. And now, what are these? Oh, factory turn signals. But, yep, this is the stock box. You guys can tell it's totally different. However, it's time to put this back on the car. So I will be removing the MST intake and putting back the stock intake on the car. And yeah, gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with the MST. Next up, after I finish that last lovely tank, of 85, catalytic converter goes on the car, and it'll essentially be stock tune again. Can't run the 85 with Mikey's tune because, I don't know, guess I'll literally destroy it. Thanks for watching.